Keith Haring was an American artist born in Pennsylvania. He lived from 1958 to 1990. As a small child, Keith's father taught him how to draw, and from that point onwards, he drew almost constantly. In 1978, he moved to New York City and became a street artist, making art on the streets and subways. Because this is illegal, he got arrested several times. Very quickly, galleries began to show his work and he became famous. Even though he was famous, he was determined that his artwork be available to everyone. He opened up a merchandise store where people could purchase inexpensive copies of his artwork. He also painted over 50 public works of art and murals in charities, daycare centers, and hospitals all over the world. By the time he died at the young age of 31, he had become one of the most famous artists of the 20th century. Let's take a closer look at Keith Haring's style. Haring can be considered a pop artist because he uses simple, bold images from everyday life and culture. He often fills in his subjects with solid, bright colors. His forms are simple. He often draws the human form capturing movement, and his characters look as though they are dancing. Many of his drawings of people are inspired by the break dancers that he often saw dancing in the streets in New York. This dog makes many appearances in his artwork. He's also well known for this image of a baby, which is often called Radiant Baby. To him, this baby represents youthful innocence, goodness, purity, and potential. Keith uses bold black lines to outline his subjects. He also uses lines outside the bodies to suggest movement. If you enjoyed this video, please support me by subscribing to my channel, Rainbow Parrot Art.